moon revolves around the earth in about 27.25 days. This we observe. The stars in the sky are fixed. They don't have any movement at all. So moon travels a certain distance every day, and in 27.25 days it completes one revolution around the earth and again reaches to the same position with relative to the stars in the sky. The distance travelled by moon, or we can say the average distance travelled by the moon, we call as a nakshatra. The whole sky is known as a nakshatra mandal. So, with respect to the transit of the moon, we divide the nakshatra mandal in 27 parts. And each division is known as a nakshatra. Means every nakshatra is a fixed stars or combination of stars in the sky. Those stars do not move. Nakshatra itself indicates nakshatra. Kshatra means movement. Nakshatra means no movement. There are so many self-illuminated stars in the nakshatra. Some beautiful figures are formed by the group of those stars, and by joining those stars or the figure indicated by those stars is having some resemble with something. So the nakshatra also given the name as per the figure formed by the stars. Now as we see in 27 days the revolution type of moon, and so 27 nakshatra are there, and their corresponding figures they are named. Nakshatra mandal is having 360 degrees. Now we have divided in 27 parts. Means each division or each nakshatra is having 13 degrees and 20 minutes. And this we may take the average speed of moon per day in the revolution around the earth. The earth also revolves around sun. But actually, we feel that sun is revolving around the earth. And earth is, suppose we assume that earth is a stationary, then sun is also revolving around the earth or moving around the earth. From one full moon day to next full moon day, sun travels a fixed distance. Thus, in approximately 365 days and approximately 0.25 days or 6 hours or 5 hours, some minutes, that is, etc., comes to the same nakshatra. This period, total period, revolution of sun, complete revolution of the sun is denoted by a year. In Indian system, we are counting that with the combination of sun and moon both. In Christian year, that is 365 days or 366 days in leap year. So that is matched with the sun itself. Sun comes to the same nakshatra from where it had started. In fact, in this complete period, moon completes 13.28 revolutions around the earth. But sun and moon coincide 12 times only, because sun is also moving ahead. So, again, catching the sun, it takes some 29.5 days for moon. So there are 12 revolutions, I should say. So the sky mandal or nakshatra mandal is divided in 12 each equal parts. And each part is denoted as a zodiac sign. The span of each sign is 30 degrees. And each sign is given the name. As per again the same principle have followed the figure made by the stars in one sign, like Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. The starting point of Aries is taken as a starting point of first nakshatra Ashwini. Now nakshatra is having 13 degrees and 20 minutes, and one sign is divided, it is having 30 degrees. This means each sign will have 2.25 nakshatra. I assume all the readers are famous on this nakshatra distribution and all the names of the nakshatra in 12 signs. Every month, sun passes through one sign. The day when sun enters Capricorn, Makar, that is a special day. From that day, sun goes in the northern hemisphere. This day is known as a Makar Sankranti, and in whole of the India, every corner of the India, this is celebrated with different names. It is ascending to the northern hemisphere. So, also known as a Uttarayan. Using the effect of Anansha, etc., Sun enters in Capricorn at present time is about 14 or 15 January every year. If we cast a chart for the day of Makar Sankranti at noon time, we will find that Sun will be in the 10th house of the chart in Capricorn sign. This chart is having Aries Lagna. So also we call such chart with Capricorn in 10th house or Aries in the Lagna as a Naisagic chart or natural chart or Kal Purush chart. So the 10th house in the chart is the highest point or with the topmost point in the sky. So on the day of Makar Sankranti, Sun is in noon time, Sun is at the highest point in Capricorn sign. And that day is a very special day. Hence, the Karkatva of Capricorn sign is allotted to Sun, or Sun is Karak for 10th house in natural chart, or matters denoted by 10th house is ruled by Sun. The next descending house, 9th, in clockwise direction in northern chart is having Sagittarius sign. So next bigger luminary planet is Moon. So Moon is allotted the Karkatva of Sagittarius. And same way, other planets nearer to Sun have allotted the Karkatva of signs. Next nearest planet to Sun is Mercury. So Mercury is allotted the Karkatva of Scorpio, 8th house. We started from 10th house, 9th house, then 8th house, where the Scorpio sign is there. So Mercury is allotted the Karkatva of Scorpio. The next planet after Mercury is Venus. So Venus is allotted the Karkatva of Libra sign. It is different that it is also Lord of that sign, that we will cover next time, afterwards. After Venus, next planet is Mars. So Karkatva of next sign, Virgo, goes to Mars. After Mars, next planet comes the Jupiter. And Jupiter has been allotted the Karkatva of 5th house, that is Leo sign. Next planet is Saturn. And Saturn have been allotted the Karakatva of Cancer. In ancient time, only these 7 planets were known. Hence, for next house again, the same sequence is followed in